Welcome back to my channel. So for today I've got another review. So I'm going to be reviewing the Fenty Beauty. It's a Sun Stalker bronzer. So this is what the packaging looks like. This is the Fenty Beauty Sun Stalker bronzer. Website claims it's long lasting, transfer resistant, and is a bronzy powder for an instant sun soaked glow. I'll just turn it around. It's 6.2G. I got the shade Mocha Mami. I'm just gonna open it up. Oh my god, this is beautiful. This is the Fenty Beauty bronzer. This is what it looks like. I love this, I love this, I love this. It's just beautiful. It's got like this nice reflection as well. This is so nice. Totally love this. It's got like a hexagon type of shape. This is super cute. So nice. That's the thing with Fenty. I like the uniqueness of it. This is the back. So I got the shade Mocha Mami, like I said. And this is the front of it. This retails for £25. I got it from Boots. The range is got like 8 shades, and this is the darkest shade. So I'm just gonna open it up. Wow, I love Fenty. I love it's got like a Fenty inscription here. It's got like this nice cute thing in here. So this is what it looks like, guys. This is really nice. This is the darkest shade, and it's got like a nice mirror, guys. So cute. It's got a nice inscription there saying Fenty Beauty in the mirror. I love the fact that it's got a nice cute mirror. This is just nice. I love it. I just love the packaging. I love the way it looks. It looks really nice. Like I said, this retails for £25. I got it from Boots. I'm just going to jump right into the application. I'm just going to be using my Morphe brush. So this is my Morphe brush. It doesn't have a name, but it's a bronzer brush. It's a big fluffy brush. So I'm going to be using this to apply the bronzer to my face. I'm going to apply it to my cheekbone and yeah, and see how it looks. I'm just going to zoom you in so you see how it applies. So I'm going to dip it into the brush. Definitely brought a sun-kissed look to my cheekbones. Very nice. It's really warm and it looks like a blusher actually. It's really nice, especially for dark skin tone. This color looks like can pass as a blusher. And I love it. It's really, I like the way it looks. I actually love it. I just love the warmth it's brought to my face. It's a nice sun-kissed look. I totally love this. I saw other shade. I wanted to get Cocoa Naughty, but when I swatched it in Boots, it looked exactly like my skin tone, just slightly darker. So I was like, I need a bronzer that will bring in a bit of, you know, a bit of sunlight. A bit of sun to my cheekbones, so I decided to get the darkest shade. So I got the Mocha Mami, and I love this one. Totally good choice. A little goes a long way. I'm literally just dabbing it in. Just gonna put it under my cheek like so. Bit on my forehead. I love the flush of color it's giving. So nice. I think you can use this and you don't need a blusher. So that's the application done. I totally love this bronzer. You don't need to use a lot, just a little bit. Ooh, see my fingerprint all over this. That's it's gonna look dirty all the time. But I love it. I love the packaging. Oh, it looks like a mirror as well. Oh my god. The packaging. This looks like a mirror. You can use this. Oh my god. You could definitely use this as a mirror. Let me check the other Fenty that I've got. Oh my god. This Fenty as well is like a mirror. Discovery. So the Fenty one looks like, this looks like a mirror as well. This is the Fenty loose powder, setting powder. And I was just checking to see the front of it looks like a mirror. And this as well, you could, wow. And it's precise as well. It's not, you know, it's not like, it's proper mirror. You don't have to open it. You can use this as a mirror. You know, because sometimes when you've got a makeup bag and you don't have a mirror in there, you're like looking for a mirror. You don't even have to open this, although it's got a mirror in it. Oh yeah, this is better actually. This is better. But wow, I can't. This is a mirror, guys. Like I can see myself, although it's a bit, it's rose gold mirror type of. It's like a rosy mirror, but I can see my face clearly on this. That's amazing. So for the packaging, A+, right? A+ for the packaging. Well done, Rihanna. So in terms of the price, it's £25. Yeah, in terms of the price, it's £25. And the range is got 8 shades, like I said. This is the darkest shade, Mocha Mami, which I've got on. So if you're of a darker skin tone, I think this will work as well, but it will look like a blusher, more like a blusher than a bronzer. So Fenty needs to release more. But I didn't find any more in the Boots website. I don't know if they've released a couple of things, but I didn't find any in the Boots website. So in terms of my final views on this, packaging A+, price £25, fairly okay, be expensive for a bronzer, but you know, I guess it's okay. It's expensive, but you know, I didn't get it on a sale or anything. So yeah, it's okay, I guess. For the range, it's got 8 shades. It's got 8 to choose from, but this is the darkest, so that's not really very good. In terms of application, it applied seamlessly. I just love it. I totally love the way it brings what this is definitely going in my bag whenever I'm going on holiday, or just for any look, anywhere I'm going. Yeah, I'm gonna use this bronzer. And also you could pass as a blusher, so if you're in a rush, you don't want to do bronzer, then the blusher and things like this can be your blusher and your bronzer. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful, and you know, if you're thinking of getting it, you know, let me know in the comment box what you think. If you've got it, let me know. Don't forget to give this video a like if you liked it, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe to see more reviews and more videos from me, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you see the videos as they come. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.